Imagine you are a taxpayer who already paid a disputed amount voluntarily during an investigation. Later, when you file an appeal against the final demand order, the GST portal interrupts the process with a prompt for a mandatory pre-deposit. Even though you have already remitted the funds, the system is demanding them again. This notification is the target state. It confirms that the portal recognizes your previous payment as satisfying the appeal requirements, allowing you to move forward. When a demand order is issued, the system generates a unique demand ID to track that specific debt. However, payments made through Form GST DRC-03 are treated as standalone entries. They are not automatically associated with the new ID. Without a direct link, the electronic liability register continues to show the new demand as an outstanding obligation. Form GST DRC-03A allows you to map those existing voluntary funds directly to the new demand ID to update the register. Filing Form GST DRC-03A is the mandatory mechanical step required to reconcile your records. It ensures your previous payment is credited toward the specific demand, satisfying the pre-deposit requirement without duplicating the expense. To begin the reconciliation, log in to the GST portal with your valid credentials. Navigate to the Services tab, select User Services, and click on My Applications. Open the Application Type drop-down menu and select Adjustment of Payment Made through DRC-03, Form GST DRC-03A. With the correct form type selected, click the New Application button to open the workspace. This path is the only authorized gateway for manually associating voluntary payments with formal post-investigation demands. The first step is to identify the original payment. Enter your Form GST DRC-03 reference number into the search field at the top of the application. Validating this reference number triggers the portal to auto-populate your historical payment details, including the original filing date and the cause of payment. Note that if a tax officer has already issued a closure report and updated the case status to Case Closed, the system blocks the adjustment. You cannot link payments to a finalized case folder. If the case remains open, select the target debt from the Demand Order Number drop-down menu to align your payment with the specific order. Once you select the order number, the portal automatically calculates and displays the outstanding balances for tax, interest, and penalties in the tables below. This data entry process enables the GST system to cross-verify your payment against the debt, ensuring the ledger is accurate before you finalize the application. If your case requires it, you may upload supporting evidence in PDF or JPEG format. The system allows 2 attachments, each up to 5 megabytes. You must then check the undertaking and verification declarations, and finally, select your name from the authorized signatory list. Click the Proceed to File button. A final system warning will appear. Click Proceed to move to the signature stage. You have 2 methods for legally signing the adjustment. You can use a digital signature certificate or an electronic verification code. If you select the EVC method, enter the one-time password sent to your registered email and mobile number, then click Verify. This authentication step completes the process, converting your entries into a legally binding financial adjustment recognized by the tax authority. After successful verification, the portal displays an acknowledgement. This includes a green success banner and your unique application reference number, or ARN. Use the Download button at the bottom right to save a PDF copy of this acknowledgement for your tax records. The adjustment is now officially logged in the electronic liability register. Your previous payment is now mapped directly to the demand ID you selected. When you return to the appeal portal, the system will recognize the adjusted balance. The mandatory pre-deposit will be marked as satisfied. Mastering Form DRC-03A ensures your capital is not tied up in duplicate payments. It provides a clear, systematic method for satisfying pre-deposit requirements using funds you have already remitted.